I am Dasari Chandra. Now we let us know magic in 5 by 5 magic square. In every square, the sums of columns, rows, and diagonals are same. In this magic square, with that and extra magics are there. Those are the yellow colored adjacent cells. Yellow colored adjacent cells. The sum of yellow colored adjacent cells are same. The sum of these three cells 39, these three cells 39, and these three cells 39, these three cells 39, and these three cells 39, and this is 39. And the blue colored cell sum is 26, red colored sum is 26, green colored cell sum is 26, black colored cell sum is 26. And also first row first column cell 11 and fifth row fifth column cell is 15. The sum of these two cells is 11 plus 15, 26. And first column fifth row cell 23 and first row fifth column cell 3. The sum of these three cells 26. And second column first row 24, fourth column fifth row 2. The sum of these two cells 26. First row fourth column and fifth row second column 6. The sum of these two cells is 26. And second row first column cell 4 and fifth column fourth row cell 22. The sum of these two cells are also 26. And the first column fourth row cell 10 and fifth column second row cell 16. The sum of these two cells is 26. So this is very nice magic square. Thank you.